Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off automatically play gifs when possible on your account on Discord on accessibility settings, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click accessibility, and here you will find automatically play gifs when possible. Just click like this and it will be turned off. That's it. That's how to turn off automatically play gifs when possible on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.